America's highways are more than mere pathways. They are avenues of shared experiences and untold stories. From the affordable 25K sedans that daily commuters rely on, to the opulent 200K supercars that turn heads and generate envy, each vehicle serves as a testament to the diverse preferences and aspirations of American drivers. The sheer variety invites exploration, unveiling the distinct narratives that accompany every model, every make, and every journey. Car ownership has become a significant aspect of financial planning for the average American, with households spending an estimated $12K annually to maintain their vehicles. This investment encompasses costs like insurance, maintenance, fuel, and depreciation, which shape how Americans engage with their cars. Yet in the midst of these financial commitments, trends are shifting, specifically towards electric vehicles, EVs. A remarkable surge has been noted, with EV sales leaping by a staggering 48% last year alone. This shift not only signals changing consumer preferences, but also reflects a growing awareness of sustainability and innovation in automotive technology. Among the remarkable vehicles redefining speed and capability is the Ford F-150 Lightning. The electric pickup truck boasts the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in less than 4 seconds, while offering an impressive range of 320 miles on a single charge. Beyond performance, the Lightning presents an innovative feature. It can power your home in emergencies, merging utility with cutting-edge technology. This raises an exciting prospect for prospective car buyers in 2025. Going beyond price negotiation, potential owners are encouraged to delve into financing options and explore available rebates to maximize their investment. A fun fact for car enthusiasts: the fastest production car in the United States isn't what many would expect. It's not a Tesla, but rather the jaw-dropping 1817 HP Hennessy Venom F5, capable of shattering the 300 mph barrier. Each of these vehicles underscores a thrilling landscape where technology meets tradition, promising more excitement for automotive aficionados. As we seek to uncover further insights into this vibrant world, we invite you to share which car models or automotive innovations you wish to learn about next. Join our community by commenting and subscribing, keeping yourself updated with the latest trends and tips to navigate America's dynamic automotive market.